So we have a Decorrest Miami sectional that we bought from Original Home Furniture in Guelph. And after it was installed, we had to move it a couple weeks ago and notice these giant gouges on the floor, and actually it had ripped the floor in this section, completely ripped off a section of the floor. And we weren't sure what was causing it, but we actually just first used the pull-out section, the sofa type section today, and realized that this entire thing digs into the floor. I can't even believe what I'm seeing here, but this hits the floor there and there on both sides. And to make it fold down, the whole couch folds forward. The whole couch moves forward because this mechanism is actually digging into the floor. It's lower than the floor. So the whole couch moves forward in order to accommodate it, to slide it forward. I have no idea how this thing was manufactured or how this passed quality control, but it seems like this whole mechanism is mounted too low. I'm not sure. We also noticed that this is actually mounted completely different. You can see here on this side, you've got a couple of inches there between the mount and the bottom. Going on the opposite side, you have basically nothing. You've got maybe 1/4 of an inch. So like this whole thing is mounted completely different on each side. And finally, one small problem that we noticed is not that major because it's kind of hidden, but it just shows kind of a quality control issue, is this. Like, I don't know how they manufacture this or tuck this, but you can see it's like exposed. Like, this is a brand new couch, and I don't know if this is ripped or it's just how they manufacture it, but it's like they've hidden it with this fold, but you can still see that there's like fabric or padding coming out of there. But yeah, this is a huge problem. So I'm hoping Decorrest or Original Home Furniture is going to be able to fix this.